What if this moment, right here, was the beginning of your reset? A place of calm that you may have never experienced. A safe space to let your thoughts soften and invite any outdated ones to leave. Hello, my name is Jon Lennox, and I'm so glad you are here. You're stepping into a moment crafted just for you. You know why we produce these meditations? Because we know racing thoughts and anxiety are a byproduct of today's society. And unfortunately, they are not as rare as we may think. Meditation can alleviate that anxiety and tension. It is proven to lower cortisol levels, which is the hormone linked to stress. So gently close your eyes, if you haven't already, and let's begin. Starting with some soft, intentional breaths. Inhale for a count of 4. Try and hold on to that breath. Hold for 2. Then release and take a big exhale for 6. One more time. Take a long inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold on to it for 2. 1, 2. Then release it all out on the exhale for 6. Now, come back to your natural breathing rhythm. Notice how your chest expands on your inhale. Notice how your body grows heavier with each exhale. Now, softly bring attention to your feet. You see a bright golden light. It starts glowing and humming at your feet. You don't know how, but it is providing a sense of calm and making you feel relaxed. Take a moment to reposition your feet if you need to. Wiggle your toes and softly ground them. As you do, you feel the glowing warmth cover your feet. The glowing lights move slowly and softly up to your calves, making you feel relaxed. As the glowing centers your calves, tense them gently. Release. And as you do, a wave of relaxation washes over your calves. This safe and soft glow hovers up to your knees and thighs, releasing any tension you have built up in that area. As you breathe in, you can see the glow floating up into your chest and releasing any unwanted feelings in that area. As you exhale, it flows with your breath, making its way up to your neck and shoulders, a place where you keep lots of tension. But as this glow sweeps over you, you feel it all melt away, as if by magic. It opens and clears your airways as it hovers and hums around you. Some of it softly comes to sit on your shoulders, your neck and face, feeling a warmth like you were basking in the sun, making your cheeks feel full and rosy. Feel yourself smile inside. Let's bring the attention now back down to your feet. You can see this glow, anchoring and grounding you just for this moment, extending from your feet into the earth, drawing up comforting, glowing warmth and support. With each inhale, you draw up nourishing, glowing energy. And with each exhale, send any remaining tension, thoughts, or worries into that glowing light you feel. You are held. You are grounded. In this piece, we can remember the words of Lao Tzu. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. You just simply being, breathing, and existing is enough. Silently repeat in your head, the uneasy feelings I have are all filling into this glow. I am safe to let go of them. Feel the glow softly moving back down your body, nurturing with its warm and cleansing aura. It takes all those thoughts and worries away with it, as it makes its way down your body and out through your feet. The ancient oak trees take the thoughts, worries, and tensions back into the earth and away from you. As you hear the bells chime over the next few moments, that glow, filled with your worries and doubts, leaves your body and flows into the ground. When the last bell chimes, you will know that all of those unwanted thoughts are gone, and only the softest, most relaxed glow remains. Listen to the soft music, and for the last bell chime, and you will be ready for whatever or wherever you need to be. You're safe now. and always protected by the FairyFrens magic.